just want to discuss my hair experience. I have been coming to Dyniecia, I want to say about 3, maybe 4 years. Now, there's been a break in there. And of course, I had to learn the hard way that you do not let everybody put their hands in your hair. That was the hardest part for me, especially when it's time to actually grow your natural hair. I like to use one consistent person. She has growing hands. I took a break, and when I took a break, I came back. I had some box braids done. I came back. I had some hair loss in the front, and I also had a lot of inches that broke off. Now, if I would have continued, my hair probably would be at the top of my butt. Who knows? But that's why I'm going for it. But it all goes back to when you find that one person that takes your hair and make it something personal. Not only do Dyniecia treats my hair, but she also educates me. Educates me from the time I walk in to the time I'm out the door. I absolutely love getting my hair done. I mean, the fact that I can put my hair through my head and still have people question, are you wearing a weave, tells me one thing. So if you're looking for a stylist, not only just a stylist, but if you're looking for somebody to treat your hair, and everybody does not treat your hair the right way. People rush. They want to put all these heavy products. I mean, there's no heavy products. There's no hair moves. So if you're looking for somebody who can treat your hair, to educate you, and has a passion for hair, then you need to see her.